Who are these guys and what are they doing? That looks like a work crew, right? In a work boat?
I was on the boat and a work crew passed by in a boat for the third day in a row. I asked them what they were up to and they said they were clearing out log jams up the river. So we're going to check that out, and on our way, we see someone power washing the bridge. Gonna ask them to do our panels real quick.
Coming up to the freshly installed kayak launch here at George Park.
Dude, I totally forgot about this. Can we stop? On the way back, on the way back.
Ooh, a tease for a scene to come. On the way back, we check out the freshly installed kayak launch here at George Park.
It's not open yet from the land side anyway. We'll be back.
When I asked those workers where they were cleaning up log jams, they specified by bridges. This is the second bridge we came across, the first being the trestle.
It's less clear than before.
Boats can still pass through with no issue, but I was really expecting to see something cleared up here. They must be working further upstream. So upstream we go.
So far,
We're not impressed.
we can't even get through. We look back over there. There's more crap. Kuz is gonna trim this up.
I was just telling him. Uh-oh.
Who needs clippers?
Got it.
Oh, thank God you got that extra foot off. Just warming up.
Oh, got it. Big one. As I was telling Mark, I'm starting to think that those workers were just sneaking out here to go fishing for the day.
And none of these bridges look cleared out.
I said, where are you guys clearing off at? He's like, my bridges mostly.
We're starting to bump things down here. Oh, that doesn't sound great.
Let me lift this.
That is not clear.
Well, one positive thing.
This looks wide open now for the first time in a decade.
We've never been able to go up there before.
That does look more narrow than our 12-foot wide boat.
Right now is where I wish we could throw the anchor and then drop a little dinghy or something like that and then zoom up there.
We do need a deployable.
We need at least 2.
I got dibs on the better one.
No. What do you want to do?
We could go check that out to see if that's just floating stuff we could pull free. We could see if that route's clear, or we could go back and check out the other main path.
First, let's try option 1.
Let's go check out this. Uh-oh. There's a huge log under us already.
Oh, jeez. What's over here? God, that would be so much fun to go that way.
We've never gone up that route before.
Because normally this is just like
Yeah.
that. We could probably open that up a little bit more.
Yeah, I think a little bit of work, we could clear this out.
Interesting.
Oh,
Uh,
that route's not really
yeah.
not a whole lot of work.
We found out that this pathway is still a little bit too clogged for us to make it through. We've got to clear that out in the future, but right now we want to head upstream on the other main route. Right now we want to go upstream up the other main route and see if that's where those workers were clearing stuff out or fishing.
oh my God.
We just got caught.
Feels like I'm on it.
Yikes.
Try and get the weight forward. I think we might be free.
Looks like we're drifting.
There was a huge scrape. I've never heard
It might have been something grabbing the strap and it been like,
That happened to me once before here by myself. Hopefully I've got that stock footage I can roll right now.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going through Cass Bridge here.
such an obstacle course. There's a big thing, right? Kill the motor.
Oh, great.
Pushing me into the wall. Perfect. This is not the problem, because it's just floating.
That'd be the culprit right there.
Or part of it. Nope, definitely a bunch of crap down here.
Do this like the Venetians do. Just stuck.
If I give it gas, it starts to veer into the wall. I have the grapple hook hooked up over there. Hopefully, it won't let me go to the right too far when I give it some gas. I don't have much confidence in this idea, and this could go really bad. Well, it got me further, but I'm still definitely stuck. The grappling hook is super stuck too, by the way. That is not good. There's a path that we just left. The home path is that way, but we're headed up the Bud Park path to see if that's where those workers were clearing stuff out.
They weren't doing anything else.
Yeah, they didn't do anything up there. Just hit another mine. I think the prop might actually,
Oh, that's in the front of it. We still got 3 blades.
it seems good.
We're about to go to a sketchier part.
Yeah. You can probably see the ripples ahead of a bunch of oh, here's a huge underwater lands. Ooh, oh, there's a skinny one.
Okay. You see anything?
Just this long one on the left.
Okay.
So that's not what they cleared, okay.
I swear we need like poles instead of motors.
Just push ourselves on the bottom.
It would make so much more sense.
Oh, get jacked. What the?
I hope that's not our boat.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, that noise is scaring me.
Okay, this is another area that they weren't clearing out.
When we set out today, I didn't think that we were gonna be going on an adventure like this. Those guys are supposed to be making it easier.
Here we are at the end of the road. Absolutely no sign anywhere up and down the river of what that work crew is up to.
Send a message to your congressman and say, we want, what is it? We want accountability. That's what
There we go.
Took me a while, I got it. We got some lunch, some crab apples.
Oof, that's not what those are.
No?
Those are the things that smell like lemon and butts.
Lemon and butts.
So this thing fell down a lot since last year.
Is this the one that stopped us when we took out Brian and Lauren?
It is.
We took out 2 of our Patreons. And this is where we got stopped.
End of story.
Yeah.
We're not getting through there.
Not right now, we don't have saws. It's actually easy to get through that one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is not what I
Got ourselves in a weird position.
want. I got it in reverse right now.
Avoid that there. A+. Avoid that there. D-. Reverse.
There we go. Alright, we're good.
Take this left.
Like I'm gonna go on the right hand side and try and cut across.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a big one there.
Yeah.
Back end just got hit. I was trying to kick the nose around. Oh.
All right, that was sketchy. I think we're through the hazards. Ooh, berries. You have one, I have one.
I smell like lemon and butt.
This is another lemon butt tree.
A lemon butt tree.
Coming up to the kayak launch dock. Gonna pull up to it real quick and see what it's all about.
I had the motor off, so the current's just jamming us. I feel like I'm about to hit this thing.
It's sucking us in.
Oh, look at that. Like I knew what I was doing. Flip-flops were a great choice. Oh, the spider. Ugh. There we go. All right.
What's the sign say?
Sit on transfer bench. Apparently you're only supposed to have one leg when you do it.
I knew you were gonna ruin the take. I seen him, I was like, oh no.
Sit on transfer bench. Oh, bench extension. Oh, clever. Pour into vessel. Hold on. Pull. This thing feels pretty solid though. I think our ramp's a little better. Well, apparently they don't want you to come off of this thing and enjoy the park.
This just further adds to the divide between sailors and landlubbers.
Yep. Cool, not cool. These things are kind of interesting. This structure is kind of interesting. They should have made it so it goes out to there, because stuff's just gonna slam right here at probably the weakest point, peel this thing all the way back into this tree that they barely cut off enough. It's cool. I think I can bring my kids here and feel decently comfortable.
It's already covered in trash. It's not even a month old.
Foam and bottles. That's all that's in the river. And Nerf darts. What else we got in here? Anything good?
Anything good?
Right? Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Perfect. All in all, I think it's a win. I'm super pumped about it. Dude, it'd be awesome to just bring a grill on here and then just set up shop.
It'll also be awesome when a huge storm comes and Finders Keepers Lodge comes into effect.
Now that's some good maritime law. Turns out we're huge at jacket.
Yeah, that's all clear. So it looks like that's what they've been doing the last couple of days. And just like that, the video has a plot resolution.
Oh, that's the work crew. That's them. I recognize that beard anywhere.
Yeah.
This is all cleared out too.
There's the work boat. Oh, look at them. They're fishing logs out.
What's up, fellas? Thank you.
Look, they just shoveled it all in the closet.
Awesome. Looks like we got more twine in the prop. Hopefully that's some kind of weird seaweed, but I'm not optimistic.
No, that looks like a mini fishing net or something.
What would be the best claw for this? Claw cam! Oh, it's man-made.
Oh no. Thoughts?
I am not happy about that.
What you can be happy about is all these adventures that you can click on right over there. Or if you want to click on the boat tour and check out our boat, that would be awesome too. Lots of happiness, and thank you for watching.
You're happy with that line?
Not really. It's gonna work though.
Okay.
Thanks. Bye.